In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bind Gcash in Binance. This is a convenient way to facilitate your transactions and make the process smoother when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Whether you're new to Binance or simply looking to expand your payment methods, following these steps will ensure everything is set up correctly and securely. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device and log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do that first. It's important to use a strong password to keep your account secure, and always enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main screen where you can see market trends and your portfolio. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen where you'll find three horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it and from the drop-down options select Payment Methods. This section is where you'll manage the different ways you can pay or receive funds through Binance. Within the payment methods, you will see an option labeled P2P payment method. P2P, or person-to-person, is a critical part of the Binance ecosystem, allowing direct transactions with other users. Tap on it to proceed. Now you'll want to add a new payment method by tapping Add Payment Method. This is where you will choose Gcash from the list of available payment options. Linking a payment method directly to Binance can streamline your buying, selling and trading processes on the platform. After selecting Gcash, you'll be prompted to enter some personal information. Specifically, you will need to provide your name exactly as it appears on your Gcash account, as well as the phone number associated with it. Ensure that this information is accurate so that there are no issues during transactions. Finally, once every detail is correctly entered, tap Save to finalize the process. Once you see the confirmation that your Gcash account has been successfully linked, you're all set. You can now use Gcash as a payment method for P2P trading on Binance, making transactions perhaps a bit more seamless and convenient. That's it, you've successfully bound your Gcash account to your Binance account. This integration can significantly ease your cryptocurrency transactions by providing a more direct way of handling your funds. Remember to keep your account information secure and to revisit your payment methods every once in a while to ensure everything is up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments section below if you need further assistance.